Hey everyone, welcome to MZ Car Club. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes AMG G63. Here's an overview covering its interior, exterior, pricing, safety, and performance. Exterior. The 2025 G63 continues to boast its iconic boxy silhouette, a hallmark of the G-Class lineage. Key features include aggressive styling. The front grille is prominent with a mesh design, flanked by sleek LED headlights, sporty touches, and styling elements, including wider fenders, aggressive. Wheel options. 20-inch wheels are standard, with options for larger 22-inch wheels, giving it a robust stance. Color palette. A range of striking colors is available, including exclusive AMG hues. Interior. Step inside the G63, and you're greeted by luxury and technology, high-end materials. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber trim. Advanced infotainment. The MBUX infotainment system with dual screens provides seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. Comfort features. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats are available, along with customizable ambient lighting. Space and practicality. Despite its compact size, the G63 offers spacious seating for up to 5 passengers and ample cargo capacity. Performance. Under the hood, th. The 2025 G63 packs a punch engine, powered by a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, producing around 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque. Transmission, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission for quick and smooth shifts. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, showcasing its sports car-like perfo. Safety. Safety is paramount in the G63. Advanced driver assistance, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking enhance safety. Structural integrity. The G-Class is designed with a robust frame and crumple zones to protect occupants in case of a collision. Surround view camera. A 360-degree camera system aids in parking and navigating tight spaces. Pricing. The starting price for the 2025 Mercedes AMG G63 is expected to be around $160,000. Optional packages and features can increase this figure significantly, especially when adding high-end customization. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes AMG G63 combines luxury, performance, and practicality in a rugged yet sophisticated package. Its iconic design, powerful engine, and advanced technology make it a top choice for those looking for a premium SUV that doesn't compromise on capability or comfort. Thanks for you.